Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to check if your Gmail account is monitored and how to fix the problem right now. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Gmail. So I'm going to simply open up my Gmail account right here. Then having opened up your Gmail account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Gmail account profile picture on the top. Just like so, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage account on this device. So it's going to take you right here. Now, if you have any additional account that is monitoring your Gmail account, the account is going to be found right here. What you need to do is to select the account and click on remove. Once you click on the remove, the account is going to be totally removed from your Gmail account and nobody will be able to monitor your Gmail account, whether reading of your message or divert to your Gmail message without any stress. So basically, this is how to check if your Gmail account is monitored and how to fix the problem right now with just your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.